Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Instagram Reels. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is just open up your Instagram app and after that, click on this plus sign. And basically, you need just to scroll to story so you can start creating your stories. I'm just going to click on we would need just to click on reel so we can create our reels. Now we are just going to record reel, or you can use it created by some existing footage. And from here you can control the duration of your reel, either 2 minutes or 1 minute and a half, 30 seconds, etc., or 15 seconds. So now I'm just going to start recording and basically we will stop here. And basically now all you need to do is to start click on next, but so you can start editing on your uh, reel. Now you can start adding music to your reel by either choosing from the music library, and you can start seeing the trending music so you can add some visibility uh, to your reel, and basically you can choose whatever you like. And from here we will be needing, for example, to click on this one. I'm just going to add it and click on done. Now you can start having more modification and more editing to your reel. You can start edit the video itself. You can start crop. You can cut from here. So for example, I'm just going to cut, and you can remove silence. You can have many things. You can control the speed, crop, replace whatever you like by swapping places or by swapping things. And you can also start adding more audio, add captions. You can do whatever you like. And let's just stop this one. And basically you can start adding text, etc. Then you will need just to click on this one so you can share your reel. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.